Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one-stop for all things tech. I'm Chahat, bringing you the latest from the world of technology, from cutting-edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence. We've got it all covered. Our lead story is about OpenAI launches Sora, AI-powered short-form video app. Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw switches to Zoho to promote Swadeshi tech. Union Minister for Electronics and IT8, Ashwini Vaishnaw, announced he is moving to Zoho's Office Suite for documents, spreadsheets, and presentations, endorsing indigenous technology in line with PM Modi's Swadeshi initiative. Zoho founder Sridhar Vembu welcomed the move, calling it a morale boost for his team. Zoho offers AI-powered productivity tools like Zoho Sheet. Vembu also encouraged Indian tech talent abroad, especially on H-1B visas, to return to India and contribute to the growing tech ecosystem, citing opportunities. Amazon unveils next-gen Echo devices with Alexa Plus as Amazon has introduced its most advanced Echo lineup, built to showcase the new Alexa Plus AI assistant. The four devices, Echo Dot Max $99.99, Echo Studio $219.99, Echo Show 8 $179.99, and Echo Show 11 $219.99, offer enhanced processing power, AZ3 chipsets, and OmniSense sensor fusion for personalized proactive experiences. Echo Dot Max delivers triple the bass. Echo Studio adds spatial audio with Dolby Atmos, and the Echo Show models feature HD displays, 13mm cameras, and stereo speakers. Pre-orders are open, with shipping starting October 29th. Elon Musk announces AI-powered Grokipedia as Wikipedia alternative. Elon Musk's AI company, XAI, is developing Grokipedia, an AI-driven alternative to Wikipedia aimed at improving online knowledge access. Musk criticized Wikipedia for bias and questioned its funding, citing a past offer to rename it humorously. Grokipedia, XAI's chatbot, has previously contradicted Musk and raised reliability concerns, including controversial statements. Plans include integrating Grokipedia into X's recommendation algorithm by 2025 for personalized feeds. While Grokipedia promises a superior, publicly accessible knowledge platform, details on its launch and operational structure remain unclear. Apple prepares October event with iPad Pro and accessory upgrades. Following the iPhone 17 launch, Apple is reportedly planning an October event to unveil new products, including iPad Pro models with M5 chips, an upgraded Vision Pro headset, and refreshed Apple TV, HomePod Mini, and AirTag. The new iPad Pro may feature dual front cameras, while Vision Pro could get an improved chip, redesigned head strap, and space black finish. Accessories are also set for upgrades with better performance, Wi-Fi 7 support, and enhanced features. MacBook Pro models with M5 chips are in production but may debut in early 2026. DeepSeek unveils new experimental AI model. Chinese AI firm DeepSeek has launched its latest experimental model designed to improve efficiency and handle longer text sequences better than earlier versions. Announced on Hugging Face, the company calls it an intermediate step toward its next-generation architecture, expected to rival past breakthroughs like V3 and R1. The model introduces DeepSeek Sparse Attention, aimed at cutting computing costs and enhancing performance. Alongside, DeepSeek announced API price cuts of over 50%, potentially challenging domestic competitors like Alibaba's Qwen and US rivals such as OpenAI. From apps to OS, nothing launches Essential AI platform. Nothing has unveiled Essential, an AI platform designed to evolve into Essential OS, a fully AI native personal operating system. The launch includes Essential Apps, which let users create personalized applications via natural language prompts, and Playground, a community hub for sharing, remixing, and customizing apps. Examples range from finance trackers to mood-based music tools. CEO Carl Pei emphasized personalization, creativity, and open. Today's AI tool is Klap. Turn long videos into viral shorts. Instantly, Klap is an AI-powered video editing platform that transforms long-form content like YouTube videos, webinars, or podcasts into short, social-ready clips optimized for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Its features include automated clipping, reframing, caption generation, translation, and platform-specific formatting. Our lead story is about OpenAI launches Sora, AI-powered short-form video app. OpenAI has introduced Sora, an invite-only social app for iPhone users in the US and Canada, bringing AI-driven short-form video creation to the mainstream. The app features cameos, allowing users to upload a video and audio recording to generate clips themselves or with friends, alongside a remix option for engaging with trends. Powered by Sora 2, the app improves realism, movement, and audio-video sync. Safety features include parental controls, content restrictions, and revocable permissions. Open That's it for today's bulletin. We'll be back tomorrow with more insights and another AI tool to supercharge your digital life. Stay sharp, stay ahead. This is Chahat signing off from IT Voice.